Good morning, all. Am I audible, man?
Good morning, sir. Clear audio.
Even the video is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the last problem we are discussing? Can you just? I think wedge and wedge with one rope, that one only. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There will be one mass capital M, another mass small m. They're tied by rope and this is fixed. That one only, no?
Yes, sir.
So let's draw the diagram. I think, to my knowledge, to what I remember, this one only. This one or any other thing? Or this one?
No, sir, other ones.
This one.
Yes, sir, that one.
This is the last one. Is it?
This one, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Second one, sir.
Right, right. So let's go ahead. Suppose you have a situation like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, as before, always try to think you're taking with respect to ground observer now. So let us solve the problem with respect to ground observer. Okay. So that there is no need of any pseudo force now. So it is nothing but inertial only, no?
Yes, sir.
Now after that, you've done many things. See, you usually take what we discussed. Let the acceleration of this be acceleration of m with respect to capital M A small a. So when this comes like this, the string will increase. This is constant. This length won't change. So this will decrease. Do you agree with this? When it comes down, this is 1, this is 2. This is L1, this is L2, L3. Out of this, when it comes down, You have displacement of m with respect to m, it will be added. L2 won't change. L3 will decrease and increase. When
Decrease.
it co-
Decrease,
huh?
sir. Decrease. Decrease.
When it comes down, this length won't change. This will increase. That means this must decrease, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? L2 won't change. Agreed.
Yes,
The
sir.
first thing we got is this. So double differentiation of this, we are getting this as, say this I am assuming as this. So therefore this decreases means this must go in which direction? Right side, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So our assumptions are is A. So I'll take this as the x-axis and this as the y-axis. I'll just write the equations relevant to this. And you know that.
Excuse me, sir. One doubt. One doubt.
Tell. Tell.
Sir, we are assuming this L2 is is constant. Is just
Yes.
assuming. Okay.
This is because the distance between them is constant, is not changing. No. This is one pulley, this is one pulley. The distance, their pulleys are fixed. So the distance between them remains constant or not?
Constant, sir.
So I have taken that. Any other doubt you
Sir,
have? Tell.
No,
sir,
sir.
A plus J cap no, sir. Down by axis.
Okay. Understood this? Now after that, we try to draw the free body diagrams of this. So because we are trying to draw the free body diagram of this, first of all let us see. I'll just bring because we are solving as we are solving with respect to ground. Do you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Sir,
Tell.
sir, in yesterday's last problem, I got acceleration values mg cos per theta divided by capital M plus small m cos per theta plus cos theta, sir. You
Yes, sir,
wrote
me
1
too,
plus
sir.
cos. You wrote 1 plus cos per theta, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll just do it to it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
this is 0, no? This is A. In the y direction you have, see the procedure are following everywhere the same story. So this is nothing but A and this is nothing but 0. Understood this? After that, the situation is we just draw the free body diagram. That's all our problem is solved.
Acceleration
Okay.
of small m with respect to capital M should be a minus j cap, no, sir.
I have taken this C. What is the axis I have taken? Check up this.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now this is the block pulley. Okay. Now you can see what are the accelerations. Tension is this. This is another tension. Now this is going like this means there is pressing force now. So there will be definitely one normal reaction. Understood this or not? Observe this is pressing or not. When this moves like this, they get pressed or not.
Yes, sir.
But so again, this is a pulley. For this pulley also, this is one tension. This is one tension. Any other forces are there? So net force mass into acceleration. Only force along this is tension minus normal reaction. Mass. What is the acceleration of m with respect to ground in the x direction? Understood the method we are doing? A. Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why we don't require? We can frame, but we don't require. Anyhow, there is no acceleration. I don't require. I'm not framing. If you are interested, you want it in because we don't require. Our interest is only in accelerations. No? Now come back to the small m. This small m is subjected to who brought me? No,
Sorry. Sorry.
who he came up, Bobby fellow. No, take it in hand, man, and you do it like this. Sai, Bobby brought or which fellow? Right. So here, this is mg, this is the tension, this is the normal reaction. Anything else is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's all, no? Three forces on and on this. Now it has acceleration of, you have along A, no? Along I cap. Agreed?
N is equal to M.
Now just apply. N must be Na. Okay, mg minus t
G
equals
minus T
ma.
is equal to M.
This is fourth equation. So you are having four
Acceleration
equation.
equal to
Pardon?
acceleration equal to mg by m plus.
Hmm. So solve this. You'll be getting what all required. Tell what is the acceleration you're saying? What is capital A? Somebody is telling the answer. Note on this.
mg by capital M plus 2m, sir.
Hmm? Yes. Correct answer. If you solve this, you will get followed this.
Yes, sir.
So this block small m is having two accelerations. It is having along x. It is also having along y. That means along x it has this. This is, so this is ai plus aj. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that, therefore, what is the acceleration of m with respect to magnitude is root over a square plus a square. How much is that? Root 2a. Understood this?
Should.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Finished? Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Sir, we have to find that net acceleration also, sir.
What net acceleration?
Sir, the acceleration component is along only one direction, na, sir. So why should we find that net acceleration as one is 0 will come, na, sir?
Why, man? For what? This
No, sir,
has
for
two
small
components,
drop.
no? Here, I have written this. Already I got x component, no? I am showing this with respect to ground.
Yes, sir, got it.
This is with respect to ground. No doubt, with respect to capital, it has only one thing.
Yes,
Follow
sir.
this?
Yes, sir, follow.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose we can analyze with respect to wedge. Suppose we want to analyze like this. Okay. So when you want to analyze with respect to wedge, this block is there. You have seen what are the forces on this earlier. See, previously what you got? This is tension. Do you agree with this? Apart from that, will there be any other force?
Beautiful.
Pseudo force. Because this is acceleration, this will be a pseudo force. Pseudo force will be in which direction?
Opposite.
Mass into acceleration of what? Mass with
Observer
respect
with
to
respect
ground.
to ground.
Over. Clear? So along x-axis, if you take, do you agree with this? So
Yes, sir.
any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir, no doubt.
So here you can see sigma fx equals mx. So you have n minus ma equals mass of this is capital small m, acceleration of m with respect to m in the x direction. That is zero, no? Follow this or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
So first thing is you choose the observer, then only you'll be doing well. This is the tension. Again, sigma Fy equals man Ay. So here mg minus t in the y direction. M into, this is nothing but A. Follow this? Is it
Followed, sir.
clear? Also we got from constraint relations you got now.
Small a is equal to capital A.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And only for the block you got.
Mg minus T is equal to Mg.
Hmm.
Mg minus T is equal to Mg.
Hmm. So now you can see that how many equations are there? One, two. In that, how many unknowns are there? Both are same now. Okay, you take this as three. You have n is one unknown, a is one unknown, a is one unknown, tension is one unknown. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now to get tension, just go to the bigger block. For the
Wedge.
bigger
Wedge.
block you have now.
Yes, sir.
So there is only force is tension. This is normal reaction. Remember this. This is T minus N is Ma. Fourth equation. You can solve these equations and complete the problem. Understood this?
Sir, same acceleration will come, sir.
You will get the same answer. Why? How it will change, man? So frame changes, the answer will change. Yeah? Just like how you changed the class, knowledge has come down. Like that. Huh?
So the observer is accelerating now. So the acceleration will not change with respect to observer.
You are finding this acceleration now. You solve this now. Again the
Yes,
same
sir.
story with respect to ground you want. You write the same thing. This consists of with respect to ground. You have to write that. Again that process is there now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but x component, y component to find the vector sum. Followed
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
Is
Follow.
nothing but A, J as per the whatever convention we have taken. This is A. That's all. So again the same magnitude you will get. It won't change. Man.
Yes, sir.
Followed this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Finished?
Sir,
See, you are able to see this message.
not much.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Bright student of what?
SL14, SL41.
See how many they picked up finally?
10.
10. In that, no, finally the race will be very small. If you don't study, don't think that the people will be behind you. Any person, see, remember, failure has no saviors. Success has many fathers. If you get a rank, everybody will claim that because of him only he got. Even Xerox fellow also will say that he took Xerox from me, that's why he got rank. If you are a failure, your own parent, brothers, they only reject you. Okay, because you are it's a family, you stay with them. There is no doubt in that. But heart in heart, they won't value that much. He's failure, waste fellow, he failed. So be careful. Still, you have time to change a lot. And for a kind of information that is not given to any other teacher, only physics people they will be giving management. For a simple reason that because if they are good at physics, automatically they'll get rank. Everybody knows that maths and chemistry people can do by themselves. You open any book, man, read the examples, 10 examples, go to the exercise. At least you can do first 10 problems. In physics book, your solution is there, you won't understand. The problem is that. Shall I turn this?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, if the observer wasn't on the blocks or small block, so
Observer
how
is
should is on the
observer.
small block? Is on the small block, sir.
Hmm. So definitely acceleration of small block with respect to m will be zero, no? in the y direction. Okay, you want on. Okay, you do it. What is there in that? Try. What is the problem you'll be doing? No? Take the observer, find the
Yes,
accelerations, all that you do. Okay?
yes, sir.
Observer, this is only what you are saying now. According to you, you mean to say this. That one only, no?
Yes, sir.
You try.
Yes, sir.
See, all these things you are observing, simple issues only. Only thing is how to frame equations. Now, suppose we take m plus m is taken as one system. Then show the forces. Not only here, man, any college, at least this college is better, at least they are giving time for teach. The other college, they won't give that also. Finish the syllabus, finish the syllabus. Unless you study, you won't be valued. First section means there is a problem. This is the tension. Now I am taking this as one system. If you take this as one system, what is the external force you will be having?
Only acceleration.
Hmm? We have only acceleration.
Acceleration. Wedge acceleration.
Right. That means now if you take this as one system, okay, only force is tension, no? They agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this whole system is acceleration like this, no? I'll apply this Fx equals max. Only force is T. This is mass into acceleration of small m with respect to ground in the x direction. This is capital M acceleration of small m with respect to the x direction. This you can check up already, you got this only. Remember this? Got or not?
Yes, sir.
What are
Yes,
this?
sir.
Now consider only small block. Okay, in the vertical direction. This is acceleration, this is tension, this is mg. Okay, this is the motion. With respect to ground, if you take what you have here, mg minus t equals mass into acceleration of small m in the y direction. That is nothing but a only, no? You got.
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can see this is t. This is nothing but how many unknowns are there? Again, constant relation, what you have? Another equation. A equals A. So this is one equation, second equation, third equation. Understood this? So you have A, T. Solve. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now you are confident of how to frame equations.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is required is because that is required for further analysis, other chapters. Can I done this?
1 minute, sir.
Can I done this?
Just a minute, sir.
These are easy only now.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn? Boys,
Yes, sir.
shall I turn?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Let us complicate this a little bit next time. So you are having two walls like this. This is a wedge. The plane is fixed. Okay. See, when he is asking acceleration of small m, it is referred to ground, no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See, here also, this is capable of sliding in which direction?
Down, left.
No, this one on this. With
Right side.
respect to, anyway it can move. With respect to capital M can slide only horizontal,
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Sir,
So
but if
let,
capital M moves down the incline, small m will move right side now.
yes man, with respect to capital M, I am saying, okay?
Yes, sir.
Follow this or not? So let us assume what I mean to say is this capital M. This is acceleration of capital M with respect to ground. So with respect to this, there will be a pseudo force on this, no? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Is it not subjected to a pseudo force? Agreed. This is nothing but mass into acceleration of capital M with respect to ground. That is ma. Now, because of that, what will happen? This has two components. One is this component, this other component. No, agreed on it. So this is nothing but ma along x direction. What is this? Ma along which direction? Y direction. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So because of component of pseudo force towards right now. Okay. So let do you agree with this? Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Now if we take this as I am choosing the x-axis like this and y-axis like this. I can choose anyway now.
Yes, sir.
So now we can see this is x-axis, this is y-axis now. So this is A we have taken now. Agreed. This is A no, what we have taken. So this will be along this it will be this is theta only no. Is it correct or not?
90 minus theta, sir. 90 minus theta.
Okay. Along this I will take A cos theta. Along this it will be A sin theta. That means I can write like this. Acceleration of small m with respect to this. With our convention I am showing. A cos theta I cap plus A sin theta minus j with respect to our axis. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Again I will use this because first I should get the accelerations. This is nothing but A cos theta I cap A sin theta minus j cap. Follow this? Clear not? Now you can see this is A minus I. Do you agree with this? With respect to what axis we have chosen, we get this. Any doubt is there in this, you can tell. Is it clear?
Sir, why another acceleration, sir?
What another acceleration? I
For
had
the second,
taken
sir, with respect to ground.
this one, this one.
That capital A.
Why? Because this is there now. This is for this part. What about this? Agree or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the forces along this? One is N1 mg. They agree with this? This is what we have now, actually. Hello, this is
Yes,
theta.
sir.
This is theta now. Can you resolve this along x and y direction? This is 90 minus theta. So this will be N1 cos 90 minus theta. This is N1 sine 90 minus theta. Agreed? Followed. Similarly, this is 90 minus theta. So you have mg sine theta, and what will be this? Understood what I am doing?
Cos theta.
I have
Yes,
taken
sir.
this as x-axis, so just resolve, that's all, nothing else. After that, you will write the equation. Sigma fx equals max. What is the force in that x direction? The only force available is n1 cos 90 minus theta. The opposite force is mg sin theta. Is a mass into acceleration of small m with respect to ground. Because I am trying to solve with respect to ground, no need to take any pseudo force. So this will be how much, man? A cos theta minus A. This is one equation. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Followed or not? Similarly, sigma Fi equals MAY. You have N1. This is N1, no? Okay. This is N1 sin 90 minus theta. Do you agree with this? Followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Equals, what is it you have here? Do you agree with this? Followed this?
Sir.
Now let us come back to this. This has only one acceleration. There is a normal reaction between these two. There is an mg. Okay, this is A. You can take this as the motion of this one. This is what already you got. Can you resolve these forces? This is not having any component on this. So down the plane, what you have? Mg sine theta. Perpendicular to the plane, what you have? Mg cos
The cos
theta.
theta.
So these are the only forces. And one more thing is there, N1 here, between these two. That N1 has two components. Already we derived this. This is upward. Therefore, there will be a component N1 in this direction and another component N1 like this. Do you agree with this or not? This is N1 cos 90 minus theta. This is N1 sin 90 minus. See, just opposite to this, I am taking nothing else. You got this now? Action
Yes, sir.
reaction pairs. Any doubt is there? Not until here. After that, we can frame the equations. Mg sin theta plus n1 cos 90 minus theta is Ma. This is capital M, no? Third equation. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
How many unknowns are there, man, right now?
N1, N2.
N1, A, N2. So we need one more equation, that's all, no? Where is N2? N2 did not come, no?
N2 did not come, sir.
So solve 1, 2, 3. you'll get the acceleration now. Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir.
Frame that equation carefully.
Yes, sir.
See, you can solve this later. Frame the equation. Till that framing, if you have any doubt, you can ask this. Any doubt?
No, sir.
In framing equations, if you have any doubt, you can ask. That's what I'm saying. Other things, solving and all, you can do slowly. It's not an issue. So if you do that, solve this, you will be getting this as. These are all interesting only, no, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should actually this answer. If you solve this, you'll get this. Got this? Note down all this and note down this answer.
Just 1 minute.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir. Everything clear.
మళ్ళీ అవ్వదనేసి
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Time out. See, man, you know what is the use of IITs? No, I did not tell you. Okay? 21st year, you'll be drawing 2 lakhs per month minimum. Now you are around 16, I think. Another 5 years you'll come out. After that, otherwise lifelong you have to struggle. Man. Completed?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute. So we have to find small n as well.
Yeah, there is no space. I did not write. Man.
You wrote capital A is equal to.
No, the capital A answer is this. If you solve, you will get that. Now small a you will find out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Completed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Sir, but how to solve these questions? Sir?
Why man? You can't solve. Three equations, three unknowns. One, two, three. See,
No, sir.
from
See there, sir.
huh?
They are there, sir, but how to get it, sir?
How to?
No, sir. From one we are getting mg sin theta plus n sin theta is equal to ma. Another we are
Hey,
having both
wait,
the
wait, 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 wait. From two equations, eliminate n1. Again, from these to eliminate n1. That means n1 value substitute here, n1 value substitute. Then you are having only two equations with small a and capital A, no? Two unknowns only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
No, you do it leisurely. Now we don't have time that much. Okay?
yes,
I am
sir.
just, I am just providing you the answer. This is this is with respect to ground I am writing, not with respect to capital M. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Can I turn this? Complete this.
Yes, sir.
So much time you're doing. Hmm.
It is, sir.
Time is also complete. Okay.
Done.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till here, any doubts are there?
Sir, that yesterday's last problem, acceleration value.
I'll do it. See, tomorrow your class will be from 8:30 only for tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any problem is there?
No problem, sir.
Because tomorrow I should complete this another two, three problems are there. After that I have to start new chapter friction. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
I'll tell you the time either 8 or 8:30. I'll just post the timing. But be ready for that 8. Okay. 8 o'clock
Okay,
no
sir.
problem, no? 8 to
Yes,
10:30.
sir.
No, no problem, sir.
No
Right,
problem,
right.
sir.
No
Take care, take
problem,
care.
sir.
Bye, bye, bye. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Sir, today's AIMS class also, we logged the meeting, sir. 5 minutes.
Ah, today I'll wait for till 3:30, 3:40. I'll wait maximum, not more than that.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
and mostly RSA time will be changed in 1 or 2 days. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right, right, right. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
బాబీ ఒకసారి పైకి రావా?